I'm Lavanya from Lexis & Company working as an intern. Today I'll be talking about the Mischief Rule under the rules of interpretation. Mischief Rule was highlighted in the Heydon's case of 1584. It is the rule of purposive construction because the purpose of the statute is more important while applying this rule. It was given in this case of 1584. It is called as Mischief Rule because it focuses on curing the mischief or the problem in the statute or the case. In Heydon's case, it was held that there are 4 things which have to be followed for true and sure interpretation of the statutes, such as what was the common law before the making of an act, what was the mischief for which the present statute was enacted, what remedy did the Parliament sought or had resolved and appointed to cure the disease of the Commonwealth, the true reason of remedy, and the purpose of this rule is to suppress the mischief and advance the remedy. Its landmark case is Smith vs. Hughes 1960 WLR 830. In this case, the prostitutes were soliciting on the streets of London and it was creating a huge problem in London. This was causing a great problem maintaining law and order. To prevent this problem, Street Offences Act 1959 was enacted. After the enactment, the prostitutes started soliciting from the windows and balconies. Further, prostitutes who were carrying on to solicit from the streets and balconies were charged under Section 1, Clause 1 of the said Act, but they pleaded that they were not soliciting from the streets. The rule held that although they were not soliciting from the streets, yet mischief rule must be applied to prevent and the issue must be looked upon. The next case is Pyarelal vs. Ramchandra. The accused in this case was prosecuted for selling sweetened supari which was sweetened with the help of an artificial sweetener. He was prosecuted under Food Adulteration Act. It was contended that supari is not a food item. The court held that the dictionary meaning is not always correct, and thereby the mischief rule must be applicable and the interpretation which advances the remedy shall be taken into consideration. Therefore, the court held that the word food consumable includes by mouth or by orally. Thus, his prosecution was held to be valid.